What's up, my lovelies? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, we are just going to be doing my my everyday go-to simple type of beat, type of look, and this is what we got going on in today's video. I hope you guys love my simple beat. Okay, I know you guys love the whole natural beats and everything, so you know your girl Amalovelyy had to come in and do something real quick for you guys. And yeah, I didn't really talk too much in this video because your girl is on her woman's month, okay? And I am in so much pain right now. So anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join me, my lovelies, on this journey. Anyways, you guys, let's get right into this simple type of everyday beat. So you guys, I'm gonna start off with the eyebrows, and I'm going to be using this Got To Be Ultra Glued gel. I'm going to be putting this right on top of my brows, you guys, just like so. I love putting this on my brows now, you guys. It just makes my brows not budge or move. And then I'm going to go in with a spoolie. And I'm just going to push them up. And I love the way they look like this. I just feel like it just gives me more of like a bushier type of look that I am going for. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Milani Make It Dewy spray, and this, you guys, is super bomb. Like, it literally gets your face super drenched out. Let me show you. You see how the face is like super soaked now? So I'm just gonna rub everything in. It gives your skin like a healthy type of glowy type of look that I love. That's why I love the Milani Make It Dewy-ness. Like, it's just everything. Okay, so now our skin is looking so beautiful and refreshed. I'm gonna make sure that the eyebrows are still intact, and they are, which is super bomb. So I'm going to be going in with the Giorgio Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation in the number 14. And before I go in with foundation, you guys, I'm going to be adding this sunscreen, this Neutrogena Hydra Boost sunscreen. I'm also going to be rubbing this all over my face, especially during the spring summertime, you guys. I say it so many times, you guys need this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the foundation. This foundation literally just gives me such a flawless, beautiful coverage that I love, okay, guys? Right now, I'm just seeing it all over, like, my social media and things like that, being promoted on, like, the Sephora website and things like that, but I've been raving about the Armani Beauty Silk Luminous Foundation, you guys. It's bomb.com. Guys, go grab your hands on this bad boy, but it's bomb. I'm going to be going in with concealer, and I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer in Tan. So I'm going to be blending everywhere. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. I was like, what am I using? I'll probably just contour with this L'Oreal Infallible Forward Concealer in the number, which one is this one called? Truffle 440. So right now, you guys, I'm going to be baking the face and setting the face. And I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution baking powder in terracotta, and also Morphe setting powders in number 12 and 13. So this right here is number 13, and this is number 12. As you guys can see, number 13 is pretty dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add number 13 around the place where I did add all that contour. And then I'm also going to just apply number 12 all over the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and like bronze the face just a bit because I feel like I'm not seeing my structure, and I'm definitely gonna leave this powder underneath the eye. So I'm gonna bronze my face a bit. I'm gonna be going in with the Morphe Glamour Bronze in Prodigy. Love how rich this bronzer is. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E48 brush, and I'm gonna dust all this up. In with the eyebrows, and I'm going to be going in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso, and I'm literally just gonna lightly add some strokes into my eyebrows. So since I got a bit of some strokes with that pencil, I'm going to go in with an OD. I got this from the beauty supply hair store. As you guys can see, I'm almost done it. Just love the beauty supply hair store pencil so much. And I'm literally just going to fill out the ends of my brows. And then I'm going to carve it out. You guys already know with my favorite, the MAC Cosmetic Studio Finish Concealer in NW45. I'm legit supposed to be having like a talk with you guys, but your girl over here is cramping, okay? I am cramping so bad. And like, I'm just like, ooh. Let me just do a quiet tutorial today because, baby, my cramps are coming for me right now. Okay, it is. I'm distant, I'm distant. I'm trying not to lose my mind, but it's working me overtime. And I think that it's about time that I read the signs. Alright, you know, eyebrows is on what sleek. We're gonna be going in with the JUVIA'S Place ZULU palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here. I'm just gonna be applying that all over my eyelids. So now that that's basically done, I'm also going to be adding the Maybelline Superstay Foundation Powder in Coconut. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my eyelids. I'm just going to go back over it. And I'm really obsessed with this powder, you guys. It's just so beautiful. The coverage is amazing. I feel like I don't even need to use like all these like loose baking powders, you know what I mean, to set the eye underneath the eyes. I feel like I'm just going to continue going in with this because it just sets everything in place and literally does not make your makeup budge at all. With that being said, I'm going to go in with some eyelashes. These are the eyelashes I'm going to go in with. my lashes is on and popping. Okay, all right. You guys stay tuned for these lashes, okay? Stay tuned, because, you know, it's giving us all type of energy. And I'm loving that. And the glue I went in with is the Super Strong Hold Eyelash Glue. Love it. Love, love, love this glue. It makes your eyelashes last on all day. All day. So, how are you guys feeling this beat? Okay, we are looking real good, real snatch, real cute, real luscious, real simple, real grown, real sexy. You know what I'm saying? Like, we looking real good. Like, What should I go in with? I feel like I should bronze up my nose a little bit more. I'm gonna bronze it just a little bit more so that we can get something. Now, I'm not gonna bronze too much because I feel like sometimes when I bronze too much, it just looks off a little bit. It doesn't give me like my actual natural nose that I would rather prefer. Using like a small tapered brush. I'm just gonna right in there. Yeah, this is so cute. I'm gonna go in with highlighter now before I finish off with everything. I'm going to be going in with the JUVIA'S Place Sahara Blush Palette. And I'm going to be grabbing this highlighter shade right here. And this is called Lila or Lila. And I'm just gonna add a bit just right here. Yeah. Just so that we can get like a cute, you know, cute, nice glow right there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the lips. I'm gonna be going in with the Wet n Wild Get My Brown Liner. And then I'm also gonna be going in with this Fenty Beauty lip gloss in, what is this? Taffy Tease, and this is from their holiday collection. And I don't know what else I'm gonna go in with, but if anything, I'll just leave it in. And I'm just gonna clean around my lips. I don't know if I should go in with an eyeliner. Usually when I'm doing a simple beat, like, I don't go in with an eyeliner. So this is just my normal way. If I want to, I could, but I'm not going to do it for this look. So now I'm going to be going in with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Rare Beauty Mist. Shade this bad boy up, and I'm going to really spray up the face, okay? I want this to look real good. Whew. Whew. In real life, you literally have to like drench up your face for everything to just look good. We are looking beats. Okay. We are looking so good, you guys. We are looking beats. Okay, guys, so this is the end of this look, baby. Like, we are looking so good. This natural, my everyday go-to type of bead. Everything just came out so beautifully for you guys. I love everything about it, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and join me and my lovelies on this journey. Anyways, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my lovelies. Mwah.